Got an ILD file from a laser show designer or light show package? This is the standard format for laser display artwork. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view, edit, and project these ILDA laser show files. Consider this essential for your toolkit, a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken ILD. My top choice is here, and we'll discuss more later. ILD files are laser show image and animation files using the ILDA image data transfer format, standardized by the International Laser Display Association. They contain vector point data with color information defining laser projection frames for creating laser light shows displays and animations with professional laser projection systems. ILDA ILD files use a binary format with section headers followed by coordinate point records. Each point contains XY position values, optional Z depth and color palette or true color data. Frame sections are sequenced for animation with blanking flags, controlling laser beam on-off states between projection points for vector drawing. The most trusted opener for the ILD file is consistently Pangolin QuickShow from Pangolin Laser Systems, Inc. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated program is necessary. Windows gives only superficial previews, so full control requires vector design environments. This is the first diagnostic step. Right-click your ILD file and click Open With. Test with Pangolin QuickShow first. If it's not there, choose a different application. Sometimes a generic viewer works better. If you cannot access the ILD file, no problem. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, viewing in laser software. Open the ILD file in Laser OS Beyond or Pangolin QuickShow, professional laser show control software. To view the laser frames and animations, the software renders the vector point data as simulated laser output, displaying the artwork as it would appear when projected. Preview animations with frame-by-frame or real-time playback controls. Next, editing laser frames. Use Laser OS or Pangolin Beyond's built-in frame editor to modify ILD content. Edit individual points, adjust colors, reposition elements, and add or remove frames from the animation sequence. The vector editor provides tools for drawing shapes, text, and effects that export back to ILDA format for laser projection. Finally, converting and projecting. For actual laser projection load, ILD files into your laser controller software, connected to an ILDA-compatible laser projector via a DAC digital to analog converter. For file conversion, use free tools like ILDA Studio or Python ILDA libraries to convert between ILD and other formats or generate ILD files from SVG vector artwork. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.